There are many easy and simple methods on the internet on how to make money. Even then, I know many of you are still struggling to figure out a reliable strategy to make money online. Well, you don't have to worry about it, as every day we here are sharing new strategies on how to make money online. These strategies are tested and verified, and you can start using them to make money online this 2021. In today's video, I am sharing with you the easiest and the most simple strategy I can think of to make money from home. I will explain it step by step in this video. This strategy is not different from the ones we usually share on the Miss Finance channel. You don't need to invest any money, and you can start making money today. Plus, I will reveal to you some exclusive strategies to double up your earnings. I have to admit that this strategy is not passive, but you can use the earning to start something bigger, such as a Shopify store, Amazon FBA, or even trading. Except that I believe trading is probably the most difficult one out of them. And you'd need financial assistance before trading money. But wait, that's not our topic for today. So, without any further ado, let's get into it. First, I want you to go to Fiverr.com. This is probably one of the biggest service marketplaces on the internet and the best option for those of you who are trying to make money online. Well, you can offer all sorts of services here, including graphic design, SEO, proofreading, and so on. Of course, you might need to have some prior experience. But in today's video, I will share with you a service that you can offer on this platform and make a lot of money. The best part is that you don't need any experience or initial investment. Your job will be 100% done automatically by an online platform that I will share with you later on. The service I am referring to is video and audio transcription. Many people these days are looking for someone to help them turn an audio, video, or even a podcast into text. This will pay you up to $45 for only 15 minutes of work. The tool I will share with you afterward will do the entire work on your behalf. You can just do some copy and paste and see orders coming in. Let's see how much money people are making from this service on Fiverr. Just search the keyword transcribe and you will see plenty of people offering this service at different rates. Most of these people are using the secret strategy I'm sharing with you today. I hope they won't hate me for revealing it. If we check this one, we can see that this service provider has more than 3,500 reviews, and they are charging at least $10 per transcription. We are looking at a minimum of $35,000 revenue, and that's without considering the orders made by people who didn't leave a review. On top of that, there are plenty of orders in queue. The demand for these services is just crazy, and you can make a lot of money after you learn the secret that I am about to reveal. These transcription jobs are much easier than you could imagine. Continue watching to learn how these people are doing it. You can see that there are 3 packages. The premium one costs $45, and it includes time reference, up to 3 speakers, transcription, proofreading, and file converting. The tool I am going to share with you does all that for absolutely free. How cool is that? But before we begin, welcome back to the Miss Finance YouTube channel. the place where we teach you how to make money online. We test many strategies every day and share with you the proven strategies that you can apply to start making revenue from the internet. Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit on the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. So, I want you to go to sonics.ai. This is for sure the world's most advanced automated transcription, translation, and subtitling platform. Besides my humble endorsement, the tool is supported by Google, Microsoft, SAP, etc. Sonics.ai provides fast, accurate, and affordable transcription. I am currently using this tool, and I can tell you it keeps amazing me every day. You can scroll down and read through the information on the home page. They are offering plenty of cool stuff. Let's learn how to use this platform to make money doing transcription jobs. Click on Try Sonics for free. The platform will give you a 30 minutes free transcription. You can sell that on Fiverr and get at least $40. Then you can choose to upgrade for a premium version. Anyways, let's create an account. You can use your Gmail account to speed up the process or simply sign up using your email address. Well, we all know that, so let's skip this part and get to the exciting one. After you log into your dashboard, you have 30 minutes trial left. And if you scroll a little bit down, you will see that the platform allows you to transcribe a video or audio from any of these sources. You can turn that long, boring Zoom lecture into text notes and sell that to your classmate. I'm kidding, but why not? You can also transcribe a video or audio hosted on YouTube, Dropbox, Google Drive, or even select a file from your computer. Most people on Fiverr are looking for this service, and you can charge them as high as $40 for a 15-minute clip. You can also upsell more services, such as proofreading, converting the file to PDF, and even record it. The possibilities are endless. Let's try to transcribe one of the videos on our channel. We just need to click on YouTube Beta. You will be asked to place the link of the video you want to transcribe. The tool uses artificial intelligence to automatically transcribe the YouTube video with the support of leading speech-to-text algorithms. Then click on YouTube video. Now you need to scroll down and select the language spoken in the video. In our case, it's English. The tool supports 40 different languages. Fantastic! Make sure to choose the right language, and I don't recommend you use the auto language selection tool. Once done, just hit Translate in English. The tool will sometimes ask you questions about the conditions of the recording. For example, how many people are speaking and how close they are to the microphone. Once done, just hit Continue. The process takes some time. You can monitor the status here. Usually it takes 5 minutes, but it depends on different factors. While waiting, you can give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. It encourages us to make more videos in the future. Awesome! You can see that the process is over. Click here to see the results. We have to answer these questions, and it's our first time using the tool. Well, here you go, the entire script in English. You can click on play to review it and correct any error, especially if the audio quality is not that high. Once done, you can click on Export to save the file in any format you want. Then submit it to the customer on Fiverr. That's how simple it is. If you want to add services, such as proofreading, you can check out the video we have made on how to make money proofreading articles automatically. Let me know if you have any questions. I answer all comments, and your feedback is extremely important. And that's pretty much it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. Also, give this video a big thumbs up as usual and leave a comment down below. See you tomorrow!